Hello all. Today one more interesting topic. Right. Our extent report is going to depreciation. Right there. Right. If you go to official website, just open the Google, type extent report GitHub, then go to extent reports Java. Right. What they are saying, depreciation notice. Right. Extent report is being sunset and will be replaced by ChainTest framework. Right, what is this ChainTest framework? Right, previously extent report, if you see just a sample, just I'm saying, right, we will get the report like this. Right, we will have the each module wise reports it will show. Right, any bugs are there, and what is the overall summary, and each status, right, filter we can filter and categorize. All those things it will show. Some graphs also. Right, graphs, start time, end time, module wise execution, pass fail, these things. Right, now they are going to depreciate this, and what is the reason why they are depreciating this? We will see that what they have given the reason, and then are this new test framework is satisfying all the features of the extent report or not? We will see all this also. Right. Right. Previously, this extent report, it support extent report C#, extent report Java, .NET, Cloud report. Right. These are all. It is support Cucumber. Right. TestNG adapter, Cucumber adapter. We have it will support different frameworks. We can integrate this extent report. Now, whatever they are saying that chain test. Right. Why they right? Why extent report is depreciated? Right, what is the reason they are saying? Right, I got from the official website. Right, what they are saying is automation requirements are increasing. Right, automation requirements are increasing more and more, and with the existing framework, right, their extent reports they are facing difficulties in enhancing that. Right. By providing extensive reporting capability and enhanced flexibility, they want to extend more capabilities and flexibility to increase more. Right, they come up with this chain test. This chain test is satisfies the contemporary demands and guarantees that teams can stay up with rapid place testing environment. What is this chain test with the support for PyTest? With the support for PyTest for the origin, ChainTest is a next generation reporting framework made for several test frameworks. Currently, it is supporting TestNG, JUnit, Cucumber. Right, maybe slowly. Last month only, I think they have released it. They slowly, continuously extend to others also. The ChainLP server is a powerful backend driven by Spring. They have developed a ChainLP server powerful backend driven by Java boot, Spring Boot. Right, they have developed one server, ChainLP server in the Spring Boot. What is the advantage of it? It will provide real-time analytics and static email reports and historical reports also. Right, it will show historical reports. What is meant by historical report? If you execute extend report, suppose I want to get last regression report before regression, right? I want a particular regression, report. In an extend report, we cannot get it, right? We have to store it, either shared drive or Confluence. We have to store that. Right, it is we have to somewhat a little difficult to comparison also, right? What is the pass percentage there, and here what test case failed? These are all right. By using this chain test, they are introduced to chain LP server. By using this, we can maintain historical reports. That means that is a server. It will run the server and store the data in the DB. Right, now today I have executed. What it will do, that the server will take that report and store in the DB. Right, it will store all the historical whatever, right? Once server is starting means it will store in DB. It will be forever. Right, DB means it will be forever. Whenever we will start the server, it will fetch all the reports. It will show. we can easily give that URL to any manager or something. They will see that what is happening there. It will show what are the benefits of this chain test: real-time analytics, historical data tracking, simple configuration, multi-framework support, Docker, Docker enable setup, advantages over extended, enhanced by collaboration ready, future proof. Future proof means we historical data, we can store the data, then future proof also will support it. Then how to integrate with how to integrate with our project. I will show you today extent report with TestNG, extent report with the TestNG. I will show you how to integrate. Now they have given already samples. If you go to this GitHub repository official, who created this chain LP or extent report? Anshu Arora, he is the author of it. She is the author of it. She is only developed again this new one, ChainTest. Now, what here in GitHub, the comprehensive reporting framework support multiple generators. It will generate 3 types of reports: static, email, real-time historical, analytics with the chain LP. 3 types of reports we can generate by using this chain LP. A generator is responsible for creating output files based on the test results configuration settings. It processes templates, saves necessary resources, and generates reports in specified format. How to enable? Currently it is supporting JUnit 5, Cucumber JVM, TestNG. It will support TestNG frameworks and Cucumber frameworks. We will see that. What are the integration steps? To use the Docker, we have to download these images. It will support currently H2 database, MySQL database, PostgreSQL database. These 3 databases it will support currently. Then how to we can. They have already provided some samples. They have given TestNG example, JUnit 5, Cucumber JVM. Simply we can download and import, run it. That's it. But how to integrate? What are the steps we need to see? First step is we can create any TestNG. Suppose I want to integrate with the TestNG project. First step is just we have created the Maven file. Maven project create form file, Selenium, you can add TestNG, and we have to add this dependency ChainTest TestNG. How to get that? How to get that dependency? We can go to Maven repository. We can go to Maven repository. We can go to Maven repository, mavenrepository.com, and we can search for that report. ChainTest TestNG. ChainTest. Just search with ChainTest. We don't require this core. We don't require only. If you are using TestNG means we have to keep this dependency. JUnit 5 means this one. ChainTest Cucumber. If you want for Cucumber project, we have to this one. Currently these 3 are available. We want to TestNG. Just click on it. We can take when they have started in January month. January only they have started releasing these versions. Now current version is 1.0.11. Just click on it, copy this dependency and paste our own project. First step is we have to add in the form file ChainTest TestNG. Second step is we have to get they have given some property. We have to keep it under src test resources ChainTest.properties. We have to how to download this. Here only they have given in this git. Come down here, ChainTest.properties. Here what they have given. First one is to integrate with this is the project name. We can give any name. Our project name. First one is to store in the Azure. If you want to store, integrate with the Azure, we have to enable this. Currently, we will see currently below ones. First one is simple report, like normal extent reports, it will generate a simple report 1. Right, we have to enable which one we will enable, that report will generate. If you keep it as a false, it will not generate. Right, first one is simple, then we can give any title for it, and we have to give this name. This is fixed name, we have to give chain test simple generator. Chain for email, chain test email, for email. Where I want to generate, you can give any path. Usually by default, target chain test index, you can give whatever what. This is the offline report only, right, not online. Then date format, and then email report. Alright, just first we will see this simple and email. Right, you can just copy this and create here one with the same name, chain test properties under SRC test resources. Copy this, enable. Currently I have enabled these two. We will see this one also, chain LP. Right, first we will see these two. Right, next create the sample test case. Anything, just I have created one login test case. Okay, right, login test case of orange HRM I have taken, and login test case. Here suppose if I want to take, right, I want to log application launched successfully, application login success, application logout success after any fail. How to log messages, right? Suppose if you take a simple thing, previously we have to create extend report object, a spark report object, right? We have to attach and configuration, then create the extend test. Those are all we need to do. Now there is no more, those are all lines we no need to require. Simple thing, right? They have provided a chain test listener. Chain test listener dot, there are two methods basically it has. One is the log method, one is the embed method. Log method, embed method. There are only two methods they have provided so far. Log, and then what are the message you want to show. Right, just I have written application launched successfully. Chain test listener dot log. Log means just simply it will log. Suppose I want to take the screenshot. Right, log, wherever you want log, you can just call this. That's it. Chain test listener dot log. What is this log? This is the static method of it. Right, a static method we can call directly with the class name. Right. Then if I want to take the screenshot, now, right, suppose see, we have to call embed, right, just I have created test listener dot chain test listener dot embed method. Right, one is log method, one is embed. Here we have to give the, I have created one screenshot, right, screenshot method, it will take the screenshot. Right, this embed method will support byte format, file format, base 64 format, any format it will support. Right, while taking screenshot also in Selenium, it will support byte format, file format, base 64. Right, I have taken here byte format, just one method I have created returning the screenshot, byte of the screenshot. Right, I am just calling this method, right, get screenshot, it will give the bytes. Right, here what is the format I want? Image/png. Right, image/png format. Right, just wherever I want this one, right, I can just call that method in the test class, right, embed screen. I want screenshot here after launching, after logout I want screenshot, after login I want screenshot. Right, wherever we want, just call that screenshot. Simple methods only. Right, chain test dot listener dot log. One is the log, one is the embed. Right, for embed method we have to give the, right, we have to give the screenshot object, and then what is the format of it. Right, simple thing, that's it. No, right, that's it. And then one more thing, I want to enable this, right, I want to enable this. They have provided one listener. Either we can add on the base test at the rate listener, chain test listener dot class. We can add on the top of base test. This is one thing, and extend, right, we any listeners, TestNG listeners we can enable like this, right. Same way here also, if I want to enable this, right, this report, right, chain test report, just to enable this, or from the TestNG if we want to add, we can add listeners, right, a listener class name com.advanced chain test plugins, chain test listener. Right, we can get it this. Right, this listener, enable this. Right, just I have executing login test in the Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and right, just a sample test case, that is just run it. Right, just run it. Where it will generate report, it will generate here path we have given, right, a target folder. Under a target it will create the chain test and index.html and email.html. You can give wherever you want, right, path. Right, I'm executing this test, 3 test cases, right, in the parallel. In the cross browser testing, just cross browser I am executing same test case, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Right, Chrome was right a little bit fast, then Edge, then Firefox is little bit slow. That is it's done Edge first now, rather than Chrome. Just log in and log out, simple test. You can create, otherwise you can download from the Git whatever they have provided. Simply right click and run it. That's it. Right. If you have any sample project, you can integrate. Just integrate it so that you will know, right, how to integrate. What are the issues we will get. Right. What steps. Right. You will learn more. Right. If you integrate your own project, right, instead of downloading, I will show you Cucumber as a. I will download that. I will show you that sample. Right, fine then. It is taking, okay, done. Just refresh it. Refresh the project. Right, where it will generate on the target folder, right? In the root directory, target folder, chain test, right? See, in the resources we will have a screenshot. I think it old reports also there. Right, here it is generated. One is index.html, one is email. First we will open right click, open with system editor, index.html. Right, see, it will generate on top. It will generate chain test, right, e-commerce, right, just here, right, in the chain test property I have given project name as e-commerce, right, that's why it is generated as e-commerce. Right, suits 100% success, classes are success, methods all are success. Then here see we have passed, skip, right, here filters, right, if we click on it, it will show pass, fail, skip. We can clear all, right. Right, now here we can see, right, this steps, right? Application launched successfully, login success, logout success, test case pass. These are all right logs I have added. And then screenshots. Screenshot. Right, right, no screenshots are there, all the steps are there. But in extent reports, what we observe, what is the difference in extent reports, right? We will get in the left side, right? We will write like this. Right, it is I think little bit neatly arranged. We can click on it, it will show the report. Under each step it will, we can also take each step screenshot, but here all reports are coming in the same place, right? Maybe, right, they have to modify, maybe they will, right, and then also previously we are, after clicking there is no, it may be, if it is closing, right, then it will be good, it is showing. Suppose under test cases I have, if I execute, it will show like this. It is very difficult to scroll down and right, which where is it test somewhat little bit, that is also a difficulty here. And maybe they will go on, they have started, right, they will increase more, I think. Right, this is the start time and time, and then it is showing like this. And then one more report, email report. Right click, open with right, emailable report is a simple report. Right, just how many passed, how many failed, what is the execution time it took, failed, skip. Right, I think they have displayed here text. Maybe we need to see how it will display. Right, these are the two reports. And then actually, right, this chain test is a historical data. Right, it will maintain a historical data. How it will maintain historical data? That is the main thing, right? Important thing. Otherwise, there is nothing. Right. What we call. Now we came. If I want to leave extent report, came here. Nothing attracting here. Right. That is the, what is here attracting is historical data. Right. Now how to get this historical data? That first we need to start the server, chain LP server. How to start? right, by using the Docker. Right, I think Docker you must be aware of it. If you don't know, nothing worry. That is a simple thing. First download the Docker. Right, go to Google. Right, Docker. Here we will not do nothing, just run it. Right, just a Docker download for the Windows. Go to Docker. Right, you click on it. If you are using which version of desktop, just click on it. I have already clicked on it. Just it will download the right. It will download what it will download exe file. Right, just double click on it. It will run installer. Once it is installer, right, in the desktop, right, you will get the icon. Just start that. That's it. Just start it. So suppose while starting, if you face issue like this, right, sometimes issue I got this issue Docker desktop unexpected WSL error in the Windows. If you get this issue, try to open the command prompt and then install this WSL-install. Right. Otherwise, if it is already there, if it is suppose if you click on install, maybe it will say already there. Just update it. Right. Just update it. It will resolve the this issue, WSL error issue. Right. Now again, if still not starting, restart the mission once. Restart the system. Then launch it again. Right. Launch it. It will start like this. Once it is started, then what they are saying, now Docker is started. Right. Simple thing. Just install it. Launch it. Now, if I want to start this right ChainTest LP server, right ChainTest LP server, either we can, if you have a MySQL server, you can use it or Postgres. And currently I don't have. I am using H2 only. Right. Just we need to run open the command prompt. Right command prompt. Open the command prompt. Just I have already launched. Just give this command. That's it. Right. Open command prompt. Right, open command prompt, just give this, that's it. Docker compile, copy, paste and click enter. Right, that's it, it will start this. Right, once it is started, how to verify? Just click a localhost, that's it. Right, it will come by default like this. Right, I already have, just I am deleting. Right, I will run it freshly. Right, empty like this. Currently we did not run anything, just it will show like this. Right, before that, right, we have to give here, right, this we need to enable this chain generator, right, chain LP generator true. We have to make it as a true, then only, right, this will display our reports in the LP server. Otherwise it will not store. It will not store. Right, then just this is the URL, that's it. No need to give any port, that's it. http://localhost. And chain LP, these are the default. Right, request timeout, expect continue for next retry 3 times, it will retry embed true. Okay, fine. Just enable true, that's it. Remaining all are common only. Now again run it. Now again just I will quickly run this Firefox is taking time, right? Just I will comment it out. I will run only Chrome and Edge, right, to show quickly. Right, maybe this is the good part. I think historical report, right? Right, previously a lot of companies, right, they right created their own right reports to store to show like this historical data. They have spent a lot of time and created those things. And this is a good thing, I think, historical data to see here. Right, just comment out what do you think, right? Extent reports and what which one is a little more comfortable. What are the things you observe both? Right, which one? Right, what are the things differences you will see? Right, just comment it out. Otherwise, everyone will know. We can discuss on it. Right, just it is executed these 2 test cases. And just go to right, it will generate this email and index we have already enabled, right? It will generate these two. Apart from these two, it will generate historical data. Just go to localhost, right, refresh it. See here there is a one bar is coming, right? Just if you click on it, right, what is the project? E-commerce. Click on it, right, it will show. See suit class, same thing, whatever in the right we have seen. Right, screenshots are, I think, something it is attaching. All screens are screenshots. Right, three screenshots are there. Right, here I have taken three separately, but here all are combined and showing one screenshot only. Right, and also these are all coming under a single line. Right, maybe little bit should improve. Right, we can filter here out of the pass, fail, class wise tags. If we have any tags, it will show. Right, next again we will execute. We'll see whether it is really storing all the bills or not. Right, again we'll execute. Right, but it configuration wise very less code only. We need to wherever we want, just we need to write a simple line of code to take the log and embed the screenshots. It's very easy here. But as it is satisfying our requirements, existing requirements, whatever extent report is, we have to see that one only before integrating. We have to see. Right, then go to again localhost and refresh. See, now it is generated two bars. Right, right side one is the old one, left side it is generating right latest one. We can click on it. Let's see. Right, it is storing. And also multiple projects. Currently e-commerce only. Right. What is the advantage of this LP server is multiple teams. Right, multiple teams pointed to same server. Right, this can be used as a like a server. Right, multiple teams they can point to same server, they can execute, and they should have a different project name. That's it. Right, that is the advantage of it. Suppose I have given, I will change this project name. Right, I will execute it again. So that in the single board, right, suppose if he is a delivery manager is there, he want to show all projects how it is right reports were generating. Right, it's very easy for them. Right, it is a very good feature here. Right, currently still it is starting. Okay, fine. I'm seeing little bit slow Selenium 4. Are you also facing are you observing this same thing? Or I just comment it out based on my system is doing slowness or right? Okay, once it is done, is it live? Is it updating? Live is it is not updating. I think maybe once it's done, both execution, then only. Okay, it's done now. Where it is? Everything already done, right? But where is this? Let me open another tab. Why it is showing only one project only? It is showing still showing one project only. Anything missed? Okay, project name. Right, which we have given. Okay, let me execute quickly. Okay, I will keep it only Chrome browser. Just execute again. I think it's generated previously. Maybe what is the issue here? To close this, close, close. Okay, local host. It is showing only e-commerce project. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, here reports are generating fine. Alright, still okay, it's generated previously. Just right, execute and show me. It is becoming very lengthy video. Just it will work. It should work. Basically, just execute and comment it out whether it is work for you or not. Right. Thanks for watching the video. Right. If you like my way of content and presentation, please subscribe to the channel. Comment and like the video. Share to any of your friends. Right. If you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. We'll discuss more. Yeah. Thanks for watching.